Well, hey guys, it is Ashley here with She Plans, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit new. I'm going to plan out my October to really take the lessons from last week's video on how I plan both digitally and with paper and kind of put that into action and show you how I actually do it. Our first overhead video. So, you're ready it is almost October. So we are going to get October all planned out, or at least how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you what I do with my paper planner. If you watched last week's video, you'll know that for long-term planning, I use my Google Calendar. So that is for any appointments, birthdays, trips, anything that is kind of set and that's what's happening. It's very simplistic Google Calendar for all of those kind of futuristic into the next year planning that I do. So that is in Google Calendar. I then use an Excel sheet to kind of project plan. That's kind of where I like to get creative and project plan in my Excel sheet. And so that's, nearer term, 6 to 8 weeks. I kind of go out there. And then each month I put in my monthly calendar from Google into my paper planner. And each week I do my weekly planning. And then each day I do my daily planning. So things do not go into my planner until they are set in stone, and that is what the plan is. So you'll look into my planner and it will be quite empty until I get there. So we're gonna do October now. I have pulled from my Google Calendar all the dates that I want to put in here, and it's actually a pretty simple month this month. Let's see, on the 5th, another thing I love about Discbound, I always pull all my pages out so that I can write on them easily and I don't have to deal with the discs, or with a coil you have no option of doing that, but this is what I like to do with my Discbound. So on the 5th we have an orthodontist appointment. At 1:30. On the week of, let's see here, on the 10th through the 11th, the 8th and the 9th, we are actually going on a soccer tournament trip to Jekyll Island. And then on the 23rd is my dad's birthday. So that is so I'm gonna keep that page out for just a second. That is as simple as I keep my monthly calendar. It literally is an overview of my month as far as appointments that I have, like places I need to be. I might fill in more if things happen throughout the month, but these are my solid must-dos for the month. Okay, then I go over to my focus goals, and we're going to plan those. So for this month I have 2 big focus goals. So my first focus goal for October is content creation. And my second is healthy habits. For content creation, we are going to be doing weekly YouTube videos. So we have YouTube. So that is for well, this one we're filming now, so we don't need to include that one. October 12th. I'm going to add in my titles later. Okay, October 12th, we have October 19th, October 26th, November 2nd, and November 9th. So those are all of the videos that I need to film this month. And then I am also going to be doing weekly emails. And October print and plan. Okay, so that's my focus goal. My focus goal is to focus on content creation this month as far as business goes. So I'm going to be doing it by doing 3 different things: YouTube videos, weekly emails, and I'm starting monthly printable launches. So we have October print and plan launch there. So my second focus goal is healthy habits, and it's getting to be fall, and I'm really excited to kind of re-energize myself with healthy habits. So I am going to be following Weight Watchers. I am going to have 64 ounces of water daily. My goal is 60,000 steps weekly. And I'm going to be doing the 21-day fix on Beachbody. Okay, so this is in our planner. This is how we kind of organize our goals each month. You name your goal and then what you plan on doing to fulfill that goal for that month only. So that is kind of my second step of planning for the month. I keep this sheet blank for now, and then this is kind of like my notes section when it pertains to my focus goals. So if I have video ideas, I will write them down here before they go here permanently. If I need to track anything, or if I have any, just thoughts and ideas that pertain to my focus goals, so that they can all stay in the same place. Okay, so since it is the beginning of the week, and so I am going to do my weekly planning here. And once again, at 1:30, we have the orthodontist appointment. Okay, so for my focus goals for this week, I know that I need to film a YouTube video. I know I need to write our weekly email. And I know I need to design our print and plan printable for October. Okay, so when it comes to my healthy habits, this is what I am going to do. I'm going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then we are going to do water, steps, and 21-day fix, so that I can kind of keep track throughout the week that I am meeting that goal. So that is all I'm going to do for now. Actually, no, right now I'm going to write in kind of when I hope to do these activities, okay? So we are Mondays and Fridays I like to keep for things to do at home. So I like to do errands, clean the house, just do home stuff on Mondays and Fridays. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, kind of the bulk of my work days. So I am going to do designing on Tuesday. It's going to have to be in the morning. So design. And then Wednesday we're going to film. And edit. And then Thursday we will write weekly email and continue editing. Usually takes me, I start the day that I film, but it usually bleeds into the next day. So then, as I said, Monday and Friday are at home days. This is actually the day that we are headed off to Jekyll Island. So we are going on a trip. Jekyll Island. Okay. So then that pops right back in here. Then Monday morning, I take out my my daily page for that day, and we start with that. Since Monday is an at-home day, and I do most of my house cleaning, like I said, on Mondays and Fridays, we're gonna have a busier day today since I don't have Friday. Okay, so things that I need to do. I need to do laundry, and that means including our sheets. I need to clean out my fridge before I go grocery shopping. And I need to get to my master bathroom. So the focus of my day today is going to be tidy up for the week. Okay, so I separate my days, let's see, from 10 till 2 is really the only time that I have at home, focus time that I have at home to work or do things at home. Because in the mornings I am doing school prep and drop-offs, and again, my daughter interns at a elementary school. She's in high school, but her very first class is in an elementary school. And so I then have to pick her up at the elementary school and bring her back over to the high school. So we have to do it. Whoops. We have to do school transfer there. And then, let's see, we're gonna say, that's another kind of block of time here. In the afternoons, then I have school pickups. And work drop off. So my daughter then works in the evenings, or a few days a week in the evenings. Okay, so let's kind of plan out my day. if I have to do my sheets, the first thing I want to do is pull the sheets for laundry. Then I will switch the laundry here. And fold laundry here. Now I want to remember to tell my girls, put laundry away and make your bed when they get home from school. Okay, so here I'm going to have for my lunchtime. So I will do a master bath here, clean out the fridge, and oh yes, I wanted to vacuum upstairs. I can do that right before I leave. So let's remember that. After I drop my daughter off at work, then I can do grocery shopping. And then I have to pick up Anna. And tonight we are having dinner. We're having spaghetti and Texas toast. Okay, so that is kind of how I organize my planning. This does not get done until that day because this is now a to-do list. This is how I check off my to-do list. And as I said in my previous video, I do not do this until I wake up in the morning because it is my commitment to myself. This is what my day is going to look like. If I went through, now I did put orthodontist in here a while ago since that is an appointment. If I went through and filled everything out in my week, by the time I got to Wednesday, I would feel less committed and less kind of in charge of my schedule. And so I really like to do it in the morning because it takes into account my energy level, my motivation level. I already have my actual plan for the week of what needs to get done. If these things happen faster and I'm able to squeeze my grocery shopping into there for some reason, then I could design something that evening. You know, I can move things up. That is perfectly fine, of course. And then of course I want to make sure to check off my weekly focus goals as I go along. So yeah, that is kind of how I plan my month. And my month is very simple. I kind of keep that nice and clean. These are the must-dos. I get my focus goals all set out. I leave space to kind of brainstorm and brain dump throughout the month. Then each week I plan out my week, and then the morning of I plan out my day. So yeah, that is my week this week. I hope you enjoyed it.